Northeast region da leiriba Kanglup Furup Khudingmak amato oina punsinduna Nungsi chanana hingminabagi pauzil puba Northeast Integration Rally 2026 ngasi Imphal Yourakkhre Peace Progress Prosperity haiba thimda KRC Foundation na silaga haukiba tang marida Kolkata dagi khongsala khiba rally adu ngasi Manipur da Yourakpaga loinana ayuk pung 8 tabada sekmai dagi Imphal tamna lamthara khibani Imphal Youraba matung rally adu maibam lok pachingda laiba Imphal Peace Museum tamna chatki Mafam aduda taram nokpagi thoram amasu pangthokhi maibam lot pachingdagi halaklaba matung ngasi nungthil natki oiba thoram kayaga loinana Imphal gi gem hall da rally asigi mapung oiba thoram amasu pangthokani rally aduga mari leinana KRC Foundation gi managing trustee Vishwadip Gupta na hai Northeast region da khundariba furup chani romasi amatoina punduna nungsi chana na hingminabagi wakhalon da rally asi pangthokpani region asida khundaminariba singna Kanglu furup naibagi wakhalon thadokuna nungsi chana na hingminarba matam da region asi yaifaba amasung chawkhatpa ngamgani rally asi hayeng Imphal dagi jiribam tamna chatlaba matung February ki tang nipan da Guwahati da lamthongpham oiduna rally asi loisangani haina mahangna makha takhi
This rally is all about integration. We are 200 community in this northeast region, and we have been seeing that lots of fightings about communities on identity politics. We are talking about job creation. That our identity will not give job, but our employment, progress, prosperity is needed through economic development, peaceful coexistence, and we should stop fighting in the name of identity, and we should join together as a Northeastern and be productive for our next generation. We are doing lots of themes during this rally. Climate change is one of the theme. Disaster management is another theme which we are promoting ham radio.
Northeast ki leiriba problem khudingmaki awareness piminaba amasung akhoi punna thabak tongminaba hingminaba aduga Northeast ta akhoi tokhai tariba mawongse amata oiraga akhoi punna changminaba mateng pangnaba amasung akhoi nungsi chanana khenaba khuding khanaraga nainaraga dialogue ki process ta tawraba matungda akhoi amata oiraga North India sida akhoi Northeast ki achauba hub ama oyenje haibagi wakhalonda akhoi gi rally asi chatpani